Quitter will always be a quitter, so never give up. What's up, y'all? It's Kay here, back with another one. Today's topic of discussion is how to succeed in college. If you're inspired to go to college, the steps is pretty simple. Number one, you must do what's necessary.
We're doing some of those projects that you know will get you closer to living that dream life you keep playing over and over in your head.
In college, it's a must that you have a study group. A study group, there's a lot of benefits. The main benefit is that you succeed in college, and that's all that really matters. Leave the ego and pride to the side. Teamwork makes the dream work. It's another student out there that also needs help. I have been working with 𝚎𝚜 since the beginning of the semester. Today is her birthday. She decided to meet in the library on her birthday.
Hell no, come on, hell no.
We're gonna surprise her. Let's go do it. Here she comes, y'all. She coming. Girl. Happy birthday. I got me something. That's like, she must be pretty good. Yeah, I ain't birthday in here. I did a little bit of everything.
Yep, we got
in the library.
tornado.
We got caught in a tornado coming to the library to meet. So you gotta sacrifice. You gotta sacrifice when you're supposed to meet with your group. You can't call out if you're supposed to meet. That's against the rules. When you don't show up for yourself, this your work, that's your grade. So if you don't show up, you kicked yourself out the group. We ain't kicked you out the group. You kick yourself out. You gotta take yourself serious. He just only want to answer. So you gotta bring value or you get out of here.
So 186 starts because it's the multilinear regression and simple regression. So 186.
Number 2, you must create a schedule.
Okay, let's see my to-do list. Go to work, go to work, go to work, go to work, go to work.
You can get a planner from the dollar store, but you need to create a schedule. Our mind cannot operate with trying to remember everything until we get home.
Nope.
Let alone our mind cannot operate if we have 5 notebooks.
Nope.
Your schedule needs to be in one planner. I have a planner. I also put notes and things in my phone as well as an iPad, just to have that reconfirmation of, okay, you have somewhere to be. But the first step is you must create that schedule in a planner. 3, once you create that schedule, you want to plan out your time. It's a must that you plan out your time and not just think you can make it there within 5 minutes. We have to plan out our time. It's called priority. Once you're in college, college is number 1. So anything that you have to do for college is first. So when you plan out your schedule, make sure that your assignments and things is number 1. With all these 3 steps in culmination, it will allow you to stay organized. Organization is the key, but you can't be organized until you have that planner, until you have your time planned out, as well as who are you going to work with? You can't do it by yourself.
Nope.
Go ahead and introduce yourself to your classmates via email, via GroupMe. And that way, when it's time for you to need help, you won't feel like,
dang, I ain't been talking to nobody this whole time. Now I need help. I don't know if they're going to help me.
it happens a lot. So make sure that you go ahead and get yourself acquainted with the people that is on your campus. Don't be fearful. No one's going to bite you. They're all trying to do what you're doing. If you are a mother and you have not seen my How to Balance Motherhood in College, the link will be above. Be sure to check it out. If you don't have children and you're in college, you have no excuses. Do what's necessary. Do whatever it takes to stay in college and for you to graduate, because once you get that piece of paper, your life is going to change. You don't have to go to college to work for corporate. Me myself, I went to college. I am still in college to work for myself. I don't desire to give my time to another corporation that my daughter will not be able to benefit from. So that is not why I want you to succeed in college. I want you to succeed in college, that way you can succeed in life. That way you can know how to succeed in anything that you put your mind to. If you have went to college and quit, most times out of 10, if you watch any of my videos before, quitter will always be a quitter. So never give up. If you have started college, find a way to pass and stay in college. Number one, you must go to class. If you never miss a class, you will be all right. Once you start missing classes, you're behind, trying to catch up. You're not representing yourself well when you do not show up to class, and also when you show up to class late. You want to make sure that you do what is necessary. I will be making more videos of graduate school. If you're new here, I went to undergrad at Livingstone College. I completed my first master's at North Carolina A&T in agriculture education, professional services. I am pursuing the second master's at North Carolina A&T in technology management. I could not be more proud that I have continued to go to college. Lifelong learning is where it's at. I say it all the time. You're going to continue to hear me say it, because once I get out of college, I'm still going to apply my mind to learning, whether that is in my business, whether that is in my home, whether that is just me picking up a book to read. You have to allow your mind to critically think, and that allows you to grow. Without reflection, there is no growth. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because only a fool wouldn't. I'll see you next time.